Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about probability, which is the 12th chapter of the mathematics NCERT. Now, what is the probability? Already you have studied about the probability in junior classes from 6th to 11th class. Now we will discuss about the some basic of probability. Already you have introduced in the junior classes. Since probability of any event which is denoted by P of E is nothing but this is the ratio of favorable event and total number of events, or in other language we can say that uncertainty of the happening of any event is known as probability. Now we are write P of E equal to number of favorable events upon number of total events. Since favorable event is denoted by N of E, and total event is denoted by N of S. Therefore, probability of event P of E equal to N of E upon N of S. This is the basic formula of the probability, finding the any events. Now, actual what is the probability? As you know that probability is the uncertainty of happening the any event. Now here, if we throw a coin and we want to find the head comes up, then we want to find the head comes up, but there is no certain that if we toss a coin and we will find head comes up surely. That means this is not a sure chance that head will be comes up. That is maybe head or maybe tail, or this type of words we use for the probability of any events. Since probability of any event is always greater than or equal to 0, that means P of E is always greater than or equal to 0 but always less than or equal to 1. That means value of probability of any event will be minimum 0 and maximum 1, or vary from 0 to 1. Now here there are two type of events so from this relation. If the probability of any event is 0, that means this is known as impossible event. That means probability of impossible event is 0, while probability of sure event is 1. But which type of event will be impossible and which type of event will be a 1? That means suppose suppose you have a coin and that coin have two-headed. That means on both sides only heads are given. If you toss that coin and if you find the tails comes up and find the probability of tail, then this will be impossible, because coin is two-headed, means on both sides coin are given. That means you can't find the tail That means this type of events is known as impossible event, and probability of that type of event is known as probability of that type of event is 0. And if you want to find the probability of getting head, so as you know that coins are two-headed, means on both sides are given head, then you can get head sure. So this type of event is known as sure event, and probability of this type of event is always 1. Now in the class 12th we will discuss about conditional probability. One thing more here, probability of event happening of any event and probability of unhappening, not happening of that the same event, and denoted by P of not E. Happening of event denoted by E, and not happening of event denoted by not E. That means P of E plus P of not E will be always equal to 1. Now in the next video we will discuss about conditional probability.